Here's a very simple side hustle that you can start today to start generating some income online. And the best part is anybody can start, no experience is required, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. All you'll be doing is filling up surveys and giving your opinion on something, and you're actually helping big corporate companies to find out information on the market. Now, there are lots of survey websites out there, but this is my favorite one because you can earn between 50 cents and $1 per survey, and you can fill out multiple surveys every single day. It's very easy, just head over to surveytime.io. You get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. And to sign up, you can just sign up with Google or Facebook. Very, very simple. Now, filling out surveys is a great way to get started with some side income, but it's going to take you a little bit of time to do this every single day. So if you want to find out exactly how you can boost this and triple, quadruple, fifth-tuple the amount of income that you can generate, just go ahead and follow me on my channel and click on the link to get some free training on exactly what my favorite side hustle is to make full-time income from home. See you soon.